Question B24. What is the equation of the line that goes through 0, 4 and 1, 6? So the first thing we better do is plot this line. So let's get some numbers on the axes. Best thing to do is sketch a pair of axes. There we go. Now plot the points. So 0, 4 is there and 1, 6 is there. So this is the line that we are talking about. So as you can see, it's going across 1 up 2. So you could actually draw more of the line in. So across 1 up 2, it would continue on up there. And what is the equation of that line? Well, the equation of any line is always given in this form. So y equals, and if you look on the internet or read in textbooks, it'll say y equals mx plus c. Remember though, what this m stands for. The m is the gradient or the steepness value, and c is the y-intercept. In other words, where the line crosses the y-axis. So if we can get those two values, we basically answered the question. So in your answer, you need to keep the y equals and you need to keep x. We need what number goes in front of x, you need what number goes after x. So the number after x, the y-intercept, is the easy bit. That's where does this pink line cross the y-axis? Well, the y-axis is the vertical one, so the line crosses the y-axis. If you follow the line down, it crosses right here at 4, positive 4. So you need to put a plus 4 on the end. If it crossed at 4 below 0, that would be negative 4, but this is 4 above 0, so it's positive 4. And then we need the gradient. To find the gradient, you basically draw a little right angle triangle onto the line. You say how many squares up that triangle is, which is 2 squares up, 1 square across. And you do how far up on the triangle divided by how far across to get your steepness value. So that's 2 divided by 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2. So that means your steepness value is 2. So it's 2x plus 4. You could have drawn a different triangle. You could have drawn a larger triangle there, and you could have got, you need to try and keep your triangles to whole squares to make it easy. So that triangle is 4 whole squares and up and 2 whole squares across. So if you did your up divided by across on that triangle, it would be 4 divided by 2. But as you can see, that still gives the same answer of 2. So whether you do 2 divided by 1 on the smaller triangle or 4 divided by 2 on the larger triangle, you're still going to get 2. So the steepness value is still 2. So your final answer, the equation of that line is y equals 2x plus 4.